This is going to be a quick video on how to create this UAV object in 3ds Max, so hope you enjoy it. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to my website here. Go to tutorials and videos. Go ahead and download these reference images. Click it, right click it. Once this Explorer pops up, right click it and cut it. Go to Max under Computer, Local Disk, Users, name your computer, My Documents, Max, Scenes. Make a new folder called RQ-1B. Click it, right click, and paste it. I already have mine in there. Go ahead and close all that. Now go to Max here. Go ahead and create a plane. Alright, when you create your plane, you just click it, right click these two to do one segment, right click, now you're done. So let's go ahead and hit Z here. Now I'm going to open up this blueprint image and I'm going to be referencing these sizes here on my other screen. And let us go ahead and to our modify panel under Max, make this 40, let's make the length 27 feet and make the width 48.7. Cool. Got it. We can hit G to turn off your grid. Select this. Hit W. Go ahead and press M to open up your material editor. Grab a slot. Go to Diffuse Settings box. Go to Bitmap. Go to your blueprints. Click and drag it in here. Show in your viewport, and we're good to go. Now go ahead and add a UVW unwrap, not to be confused. Oop, belay that. Add the UVW map, not to be confused with the unwrap. So go here, find it, do the map because we're mapping it. We're not unwrapping it. Unwrapping it is like you're unwrapping your present because that means you're done modeling and then you're going to be texturing it. So the map just means you're referencing an image. So we have that on here. Let's go ahead and stretch her out so it fits. The cool thing here is you go to UVW mapping plus sign, go to gizmo with your move tool, right click move or W, get it centered in here. What I'm looking at is the back of the vehicle and the front of it, and then I'm going to go ahead and use this alt and click down here to, because I'm in my gizmo, alt click and stretch it. Oh, we're moving. So I'm going to alt click the length right here and make it just a little bigger. Okay, that's close enough, so go ahead and move your gizmo, and now let's get the width right. And blah, blah, blah. Almost there. Okay, that looks about close enough. I'm just alt clicking on the bottom here just to make a little adjustment. So Control Z to undo. Now let's hit get out of your gizmo by clicking it. Alright, now what we want to do is make two planes. So shift click up like this, 90 degrees with your snaps on up here. So let's call this one front for a front picture. And press M and hit up here, and then turn your self illumination all the way up, and now we can see both sides. And then let's go ahead, we'll size this one up, and what we want to do is adjust the plane for our front view. So let's go ahead and move our gizmo quick, and there's our front view. So we can make the width just a little bigger and move it into position. Okay, and remember our other one was a teeny bit smaller, so there we go. I just did that, and now I'm going to move a little. Okay, now our plane's the wrong size, so let's go ahead and adjust that. And let's take our gizmo again in our UVW map and move her up. And let's redo our size again of the plane. and move this. Do our plane again. Okay, that looks good, right? So let's move that down. In our front view, let's move that down. It's in the right spot already, so go ahead and hit that. You can use your snaps if you want. We just won't bother. So go ahead and rotate this 180 degrees. You can see that on the bottom here. That's what I was looking at since it's hard to see, so I followed this number right here. So exactly 180 degrees. Move tool, W or right click and then go to it. Go ahead and scoot this back. Let's check out our left view. Let's move our plane. Alright, that looks good. Now hit rotate and let's shift click 90 degrees. Call this side view. Let's hit W. The length is a little screwed up. Oops, of our plane, so click your plane. Drag this down. Drag this down. Oops. Let's go to our left view. Let's drag this guy over. Adjust the width. And just keep adjusting these a little bit. Alright, that's good enough. So let's go over to our gizmo again. And let's locate that picture using our move tool. Okay. And let's try to get our height right. Oops. Do our height. Okay. And let's, oops. Do your width. A little longer. A little longer. Now I'm going to alt click again. Okay. I'm going to alt click and just do it a little more, and then I'm going to alt click and do my X. Not working. Go to your gizmo, alt click the width just a bit. Okay, looks good. W, grab your plane, slide it over. Okay, so now we're all set to start modeling. We have our blueprints set up. One thing you can do is right click that and then group them as blueprints, name it whatever you want, the number 1, and then right click object properties. Oh, you can't do that now, sorry. Go to group, ungroup, right click object properties, do show frozen in gray, uncheck, right click it. So you can right click and freeze selection. Now you can't select anything. Or you can go over to display and you can go to freeze selected. So there. Now we're all set to do whatever you want. So and you won't be clicking anything. So alright, that's it. Have a good night. Day.